Hi everyone, ready to explore new words? Let's start our learning adventure. Let's begin. L is for lion.
Lion,
Repeat after me. Lion.
lion,
L is for light.
light,
Come on, let's say it together. Light.
light,
L is for laugh.
laugh,
Can you say it with me? Laugh.
laugh,
L is for letter.
letter,
Repeat after me. Letter.
letter,
L is for lake.
lake,
Can you say it with me? Lake.
lake,
L is for learn.
learn,
Come on, let's say it together. Learn.
learn,
L is for leaf.
leaf,
Repeat after me. Leaf.
leaf,
L is for loud.
loud,
Come on, let's say it together. Loud.
loud,
L is for lemon.
lemon,
Can you say it with me? Lemon.
lemon,
L is for library.
library,
Repeat after me. Library.
library.
You are awesome. Keep up the great work. Ready for a quick review? Let's refresh our memory. What's this called?
Lion, lion,
What's this called?
light,
Light. What's this called?
laugh,
Laugh.
Do you know what this is?
letter, letter,
What is this?
lake, lake,
Can you say it?
learn, learn,
What's this?
leaf,
Leaf.
What's this called?
loud,
Loud.
What is this?
lemon,
Lemon.
What's this called? Do you remember?
library.
Library.
Well done! You did an amazing job! Thanks for learning with us today. See you in the next video.